Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. So in today's vlog, I'm going to take you guys with me day in the life. So I start my mornings off with a workout because I find that working out really helps me stay motivated throughout the day, and it just helps me have a great start to my day. I just started using the Echelon bike, and so today I'm doing a 30-minute hip hop course. When I say that this is a high intensity, it's a high intensity. I was sweating after this workout. So that's how I like to start my mornings, with a nice workout, get me jump started and ready to start my day. After my workout, I like to start with a nice hot shower. I've been wetting my hair in the shower because I really enjoy that wet look. So I'm gonna wet my hair, and I'm also gonna exfoliate my skin because I've been enjoying exfoliating my skin daily. It's been helping with my strawberry legs and helping my skin stay smooth throughout the day. So that's what we're gonna do here, and then I'm gonna start moisturizing my skin. I've been using the Osea Undaria body butter for a few months, and it's become my new favorite body butter. So I was very excited to hear that Osea does have the Undaria body oil just in time for summer. It's a lightweight oil that's non-greasy and moisturizing. I love that it leaves my skin glowing as well. I apply this on damp skin fresh out the shower, and although it's not necessary, I love to layer this over the body butter because I really like that extra glow. It's very easy to apply. It feels really nicely on the skin, and it's non-greasy. It has acai, brasu, and hand-harvested Undaria seaweed cold pressed in oil. I love using these two together because it leaves my skin feeling moisturized throughout the day. Next, for my skincare, I'm also using Osea because they have become my new favorite skincare brand. So I'm using the Ocean Cleanser here. This is more like a cream based. It leaves my skin clean, but it doesn't strip it at the same time. And I love that Osea is cruelty free, vegan, climate neutral, and it's made in California. Really love their products. And after I'm done washing and cleansing my face, I like to go in with their Hyaluronic C Serum. I feel like this really does a good job of protecting my skin throughout the day. It feels very nice, and it's non-greasy as well. And I just started using their Biotic water cream. I feel like this is perfect for those warmer months because that water is really good for hydrating the skin. So love using these products together. Thank you, Osea, for sponsoring today's video. They've literally become my new favorite skincare. I do have a 10% coupon code for you guys. It's on screen. It's going to be in my description box as well. I'm just going to apply some hand cream, and I'm going to do my makeup, and we're going to get ready for today. Hey guys, good morning. Happy Thursday. So I am getting ready to go get some work done. I'm gonna make myself, I don't know what's up with this lighting. Looks weird. Okay, it's coming back. So I'm gonna make myself some breakfast, and also I'm gonna make lunch because I don't really wanna go out for lunch today. And I'm gonna pack my bag and everything and get ready. I'm gonna make, I'm gonna cut up some fruit first. So I have this watermelon here. I'm gonna cut that up, get some strawberries, blueberries. Then for breakfast, I'll probably just make a egg sandwich or an omelet to go. And for lunch, I'm gonna make a salad. It's my famous and favorite salad. I make it all the time. It's with mixed greens, veggies. I'm gonna put egg in there this time because I don't have any chicken or meat that's ready. But you guys have seen that. I'll link the video where I share what I eat in a day. So let's get on, and then I'll show you guys what I'm wearing today. I think it's a cute little outfit look. So let's get on with our day today. guys, so I kind of changed my original plan, but this is my outfit of the day. So I have on this Zara blazer. You guys saw this in a previous vlog, and I decided to wear these nice cream trousers from H&M along with this top as well, this ribbed racer back top here. And then I'm pairing it with my Coach mules and my bees work tote. So this is my outfit of the day. I wanted something very office appropriate and something very comfortable and casual at the same time. So this is what we're wearing today. I am way behind schedule, so I'm gonna leave now and get started with my work day.
Note 2, the infinitive at the end of the expression from the text. J'avais quelques trucs à faire. We could replace this infinitive with others. We could say, I had a few things to correct. We'd say,
J'avais quelques trucs à corriger.
J'avais quelques trucs à corriger.
J'avais quelques trucs à corriger.
or he had a few things to prepare.
Hey guys, so I just finished working. I still have some more stuff to do, but I decided to come to Trader Joe's to get a few things. Not much, just because I felt like making some salmon tonight and I only have chicken. So I'm gonna get some salmon. I'm probably gonna get some asparagus and some fresh flowers for the house. Alright guys, so back home, my face is so oily right now. It's because I'm using the Fenty Eavesdrop. It's more like a lighter everyday foundation, so I'm using that. But I'm home, got my flowers together. I got some roses. They weren't the best because it's like midweek, but I put these little things on there for my last arrangement. And then I got these French lilacs, I think they're called. I just put it in this vase because I didn't really know what else to do with it. And then I put the eucalyptus in the shower. So I'm gonna go remove my makeup, cook dinner, unwind for tonight, just chill for the rest of the night. So I'm probably not gonna come back on here and talk very much. It's gonna be a very just chill rest of the night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Osea for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you beauties in the next one. Bye.